Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today, I'm going to be giving you a quick rundown for our face collage. So today, what we're going to be doing is taking a series of images, and we're going to use our lasso tool and layer masks in Photoshop to then make one of these super cool little portraits. And notice how they're kind of wacky and fun and playful. We're going to make one of these, but instead of you cutting them out of magazines like these are, we are going to use Photoshop instead. Some of these are really simple, but also we're just using these kind of a way to get an idea of how to do this assignment. So spend some time looking at these for some inspiration in case you don't know what to do. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, let's download our Photoshop file by clicking the link in step 1. We'll download it and drag it over to our desktop here. My desktop's looking a little messy. Hopefully yours is looking better. Next, we're going to go back to the assignment page, and we're going to click the download link in step 2 to get the folder of our portraits. So it's going to look like this. That's all right. Go ahead and still click that download button, and that's going to download it in the bottom here as well. It might take a minute. That's okay. The files that we have in there are pretty large. So if this comes up and it says that it can't scan for, the file for viruses, that's all right. Click download anyway. Once that zip drive downloads, we'll click and drag that to our desktop as well. And then we'll double click that zip drive to open, and notice how we'll have our folder here. If we open that up, we're going to see we have 11 different pictures of 11 different people. What we're going to be doing is adding all of these to Photoshop, and then we're going to be taking parts and pieces of them to make our own collage. So step 2, I'm going to give you a rundown of that whole process.